warehouse at AM.CO.za is filling up with CNC routers again. And to make sure that the beds on all the CNC routers leaving the warehouse are truly level, we make use of the traditional Granite block and dial indicator system. Let me explain. This Granite block is machined to be exactly and precisely 90 degrees on all four sides. It gets placed on the CNC bed, and a dial indicator is placed on the Y-axis of the gantry. The Y-axis on the CNC machine will always be true 90 degrees, so we start by adjusting the block to be exactly 90 degrees to the Y-axis. We do this by taking the initial measurement on the dial indicator. The measurement is in microns, so it is extremely accurate. And we then use a rubber hammer to knock the block sideways until we get a measurement as close as possible to 0. Once that is done, we then place the dial indicator onto the X-axis of the gantry and take the measurement on the dial indicator by running the head from left to right. We then loosen the bolts on the gantry and use a hammer to knock the gantry little by little until the dial indicator measures 0. Then we run the machine from left to right and take the measurement again. Once we get as close to 0 as possible, we lock the bolts on the gantry in place, knowing that we have achieved a true 90 degrees between the X and the Y axis. Just another one of the ways that AM.CO.za goes the extra mile for you.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. am.co.za. Achievement matters.